Are you looking to streamline your email marketing process? In this video, we'll walk through how to use GetResponse automation templates effectively to boost your productivity and engage with your audience. Stick around to find out how this tool can simplify your campaigns and also learn about some great alternatives that might work even better for your goals. First, let's talk about what GetResponse automation templates actually are. These pre-built workflows are designed to save you time while delivering personalized emails based on your subscribers' actions. Whether you're nurturing leads or running product promotions, these templates can be a game changer, eliminating the need to build everything from scratch. But here's the thing, while the concept is great, many users find that some templates can feel a bit rigid or need tweaking to truly fit your brand's voice. Next, let's dive into how you can actually use these templates. Once you sign up for GetResponse, you can access their library of automation templates directly from the dashboard. You'll find a wide range of options like welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or even birthday emails. These workflows are already designed with the most effective marketing strategies in mind, so all you need to do is adjust the details and content to align with your business needs. But here's the catch: if you're looking for something very specific or unique to your business model, you might still need to do some customization. The third thing I want to point out is how easy it is to set up automation with these templates. The drag and drop interface is one of GetResponse's standout features. You can visually map out the flow of your emails, making it easy to adjust, test, and optimize your campaigns. While the interface is intuitive, many users still find themselves getting bogged down by the complexity of creating more advanced automations. Some of GetResponse's automation features are locked behind higher tier plans, so be aware of what you get with your subscription level. Next thing, let's talk about tracking. You can monitor how your automation templates are performing, but let me tell you, the analytics provided by GetResponse are sometimes basic, leaving you wanting more granular insights. With data like open rates and click-through rates, you get a decent idea of performance. But if you're looking to really dive deep, you might find the reporting tools lacking compared to other platforms. The fourth thing to note is pricing. While GetResponse offers a solid range of features, they can be pricier than some other platforms, especially when you're considering the cost of unlocking advanced automation features. For small businesses or startups, this could be a deal breaker, especially if you need more flexibility at a lower price point. So, you're probably thinking, is there something better? Well, here's the deal: GetResponse has its place for certain use cases, but if your main goal is sophisticated automation with better integration options, there are other platforms worth considering. Stay tuned, because we'll talk about an alternative that has a more robust feature set and a better free trial offer. Before we wrap up, remember, through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial for GetResponse, so you can test out all the features risk-free. But we're also offering a better alternative for those who need advanced automation tools that cater to specific business needs, and it also comes with a free trial. Don't miss out. Click the link to get your exclusive benefits today.